you is setting the value of email merge field using Apex. So what is email merge field? So a merge field is a placeholder in an email template or letterhead. When you send the email, the placeholder is replaced with the Salesforce data from the record or records of the people you are emailing. So what is a merge field? It is a field which acts as a placeholder, and the value of the field will be replaced by the data from the records or from the records of the person whom you are emailing that mail. So let's understand the problem first, and then we will see what is email merge and how we will set the value of it using Apex. So I have created email templates in my developer org. So you can create an email template by going to setup and then finding classic email templates in your home. So this is classic email template, and you can create a template using new template I have already created. So this is the template I have created. The name of the template is test template, and you can see after hi you can see this, the contact name. This is a merge field, and its value will be replaced with the value to whom we are emailing this template. So if I am receiving the mail, then the value will be hi Shubham Lashkar and the rest of the content. So this is our email templates. So let's do one thing first. Let's have mail without setting the merge field and how it will look, and after it we will set the merge field and see the output. So let's go to my developer console and let's create a new class, file new Apex class, and let's give it a name, test email merge field. We should replace test from here because some of you might get confused that I am writing a test class. So it is email merge field. Okay, let's have a public static void email template. Now let's get the email template which we will be using to send the mail. So email template equals to select ID, subject, body, and then HTML value. You can learn about the email template object from the developer guide by searching in Google. Well, template where, and I am only finding the email template which I am using, so I will be filtering the email templates, and the name of the email template which I am using is test template. So I will filtering on that. Let's get in the next line so we can give some space, and where name is test template, and let's do one thing, limit 1. So we will only get one record from here. Now let's where I am missing the semicolon, line number 6. Let's save it once more. Yeah, it's gone. Now let's create the email message object. So messaging dot single email message email equals to new messaging dot single email message. So this is the object. Let's set some fields. Email dot set to address, and it's a list. So let's do one thing. Instead of doing this, new string list, and let's pass my own email ID, Shubham Lashkar @gmail.com, and let's set the object, the subject and bodies from our template. So we have already selected body and subject and value. So we will be setting it from here. So email dot set subject, and it is equals to subject. Now email dot set HTML body, which is equals to HTML body. And let me search something. Okay, there are even, because I am not using the object email template, and here email template. What is happening here? We should not write HTML body, instead I should write HTML value. Yeah, it's correct now. And the last thing is email dot set, we will not require, but I am doing it, and it is equals to email dot email template dot body. So we have set the required fields. Now let's send the email. Let's send the, what is happening? Yeah, it's correct. Messaging dot send email, and let's new messaging dot single email message, and let's pass email here and save it. Let's see, there are no errors. There should be no errors. So that, yeah, there are no errors. Let's test this. I have given this email ID and we will receive email here. Let me refresh it and also run it. Open execute anonymous window and let's run it from here. So email merge field dot email template. I hope it will work. Execute highlighted. Yeah, it's worked. The mail has been sent. I hope there are no errors. Yeah, there are no errors. Let's refresh it so we can see. It might be in spam. Yeah, so you see that the name is not replaced here. So we will be solving it using Apex. So let's do it now. So for that we will be replacing the two fields. One is we say as, let's store a contact first, so that my email ID will be there, Shubham Lashkan, and here I should store my email ID, shubhamlashkan@gmail.com, and save it. Now let's get that contact C equals to select name from contact limit 1, and let's see, the name which will be selected is only my name. Let's run it from query editor also, else we will do some more filtering in it. Yeah, my name is selected, so there are no problem with it. I can use this record. So now do one thing, let's have some variables, string HTML body, which is equals to email template dot HTML value, and now I will be replacing the content by using HTML body dot replace. There is a replace function. Target, so our target is we will be replacing contact dot name, and C will be capital with C dot name. So we have replaced the content contact dot name with C dot name, and we will also replace same for plain body also. So string plain body equals to email template dot body, and let's do body equals to body dot replace. Why I am not able to find this? Okay, I am not using the correct variable, that's why. Equals to plain body dot replace, and target is same, we can copy it from here and replace it here. I hope it will work, and let's also change these two values. The HTML body will become HTML body, and the plain text body will become plain body. And also change the email ID. Yeah, we can use it also. So let's use it as a, and let's run it. Execute highlighted, it should not give an error. And let's refresh this page, go to spam and run it. I hope it will work. Okay, it's in not from in the spam section, it is in my inbox, and I have got the mail as hi Shubham Laskan, and the mail is from Salesforce, from my developer work. So that's how we will replace the content of, or set the content of email merge field using Apex. That's it in this video. We will see some more problems or some more concept in the next video.